In this video, I'm going to break down what additives you can use to speed up or slow down the setting time for DIY concrete so your project doesn't get stuck or dry out too fast. Alright, so if you're mixing concrete yourself, timing is everything. First off, if you want the concrete to set faster because you're on a tight schedule or the weather's chilly, you can use accelerators like calcium chloride. Just remember, it can mess with the color a bit and might corrode metal if you're using rebar, so use it carefully. On the flip side, if it's hot out or you need more working time, retarders like sugar or certain commercial products can slow down the setting process and keep the mix workable longer. Another tip, adding extra water will slow things down, but don't go crazy or your concrete gets weak and crumbly. For DIY projects, make sure to mix everything super thoroughly so the additives get evenly distributed, or else you'll have some parts setting fast and others slow. You can also try mixing in fly ash or slag. Those slow the hydration reaction and improve durability. Don't forget to check the temperature of your materials and the environment, because concrete sets faster in heat and slower in cold. And always test a small batch when trying new additives, so you see exactly how it behaves before committing to the whole project. One of the biggest mistakes people run into with DIY concrete setting times is not measuring additives properly, which can totally wreck your mix, consistency, and strength. Another common issue is ignoring weather conditions. Concrete will set way quicker in hot sun or freeze if it's too cold, so adjust your additives accordingly. Lastly, overwatering to slow the set is tempting but leads to weak concrete that cracks easily, so stick to recommended amounts and use retarders instead when you need extra time. BigHomeProjects.com is a really solid spot if you're looking for trusted local contractors who know their stuff about concrete and other home fixes. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, their platform helps you connect with homeowners who need your skills without all the hassle of searching around.